Hi Dynamic Mind, welcome to the GrowPeak YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook pixel or server-side tracking or Facebook conversion API. So before showing that, just have a look this diagram. What actually happened in the recent scenario? What actually happened when any user comes to your website? So one user browsing your website, if you set up the Facebook pixel track the event, I mean any activity which actually told you in the previous video. And after tracking the event, Facebook sent to the Facebook server through pixel. So that's very simple. But due to iOS 14 or 15 update, who actually did not opt in, iOS actually blocked the data. And recent, according to recent statistics, among iOS users, only 20% iOS user opt in, and 80% iOS user they do not opt in. So what happened if anyone comes to your website from iOS device and purchase any product? You cannot track that data. That's why you cannot measure your marketing ROI. That's why server-side tracking is the best solution. For the Facebook, we are using conversion API. So if we do server-side tracking, if anyone visit your website, track the data. So after tracking the data, Pixel did not send direct to the Facebook server. Pixel forward to cloud server, and through conversion API, that data will be converted, and through server and conversion API, data will pass into the Facebook server. That's the thing. And if you see that diagram, actually for doing that, I mean set up Facebook conversion API server side tracking, we have to do that. What we have to do that? We will set up browser side web container, and we also set up or install GTM server container. And in the browser side, we will set up Google Analytics, and using Google Analytics 4, we will pass the data as a HTTPS. And server side, in the server side, Google Analytics 4 client receive that data. After that, Facebook conversion API, that data will be converted by Facebook conversion API. After that, sent to the Facebook server. And in this video, we will do that both browser side tracking and server side tracking. Facebook always gives the priority as a browser side. So if browser side data missing, Facebook will take the data from server side, and Facebook takes the data from server side and browser side, and Facebook, after that, Facebook will be deduplicated that event. Okay, that's the thing. So first of all, what I have to do, we have to create a web container, which already did. We already showed in the previous video. Now we have to create server-side container. But in the server-side container, we actually need cloud server. So in that case, we can use Google Cloud Server. That is very cheap. If you Google Cloud Server is free, and you will get $300 for the first time. After finishing that, you have to pay $25 to $30 or $35. And we can also use your own server. You have to configure in that way, which actually Facebook conversion APIs support. Also, you can use step.io. It's actually free. It's actually not free. You need only $25 per month for cloud server, and you will get 10,000 traffic. For the first time, you will get 10,000 traffic free. Okay. So now, actually, in this video, I will use actually step. So next video, we will see that how we can configure that. I mean, how we can configure or how we can set up server-side container using step.io. Okay. So thank you, everyone. In this video, actually, I wanted to try to make understand what is actually server-side tracking or why need it. Okay. Thank you.